Hey everyone, today in this video I want to walk you through the iRobot app settings for the iRobot Roomba. This is the Combo 10 Max. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's an overview of the app right here with our Roomba all set up and ready to go. Let's start in the top right hand corner. We can learn more about this product, view our account. We can add our product. That's how you're going to set this up. And then you'll notice we have smart home options down below. Then from the main screen right here, we have an image of our Roomba, followed by on the right-hand side of the screen are map options here. So we can start a new map here. This does support multi-level mapping if you want to use it on multiple floors of your house. So that's where you do that right there. We can also enter into our map settings and delete it or do another mapping run. And then we can select it, and that brings up our main floor and how we currently have everything configured. On our map here, we can redivide rooms, relabel rooms, and we can set up zones. Basically, no-go zones, areas you don't want it to ever go, and it's drag and drop right there. We also have no mop zones, same thing, drag and drop. And then we have clean zones. So if you ever want to do a zone-by-zone clean in certain areas, maybe you have highly trafficked areas that are always dirty, that's how you can set up the zone cleaning right there in the mapping section. Further down the app, you'll notice we have our Roomba specific settings and our dock settings here. So the first section, that's going to be the Combo 10 Max. The green bar, that's our battery indicator. Currently, we're charging. We also have the water level of the internal water tank. Then below those two icons, we have two more icons. That's for the dock, specifically for the clean water and the dirty water tank here. So the clean water tank's the first one, the solid water drop icon, that's blue. So we have about 3/4 left. And then the second one, the zebra striped one, that's going to be our dirty water tank level, showing us how full it is. Further down, we got our charging status. We can do a clean, we can end it. Then we have our favorite section, so you can pick and choose your favorite areas to clean, whether that's room or zone. And you can build out your favorites there, vacuum everywhere or vacuum and mop. We can set up a schedule. If you want to set up schedules with your Roomba, you can do that right there. Create a new schedule, choose the time, or you can automate it when you leave your home, which days of the week, where do you want it to clean, which map. You get the idea there. Further down, we have our cleaning history, so we can see our lifetime history by area and jobs, and a nice breakdown. Let's go down here to a full mapping run, and you can see everywhere that it was able to navigate. We'll go here and look at this clean, where we cleaned a room. It identifies the carpet. You get the idea, though. So that's your cleaning history. Next, we have messages. So you can offer feedback, tips, tricks, things like that they want you to know right there. Then we have our product health. This lets us know when it's time to change, clean, and maintain things. Then we have our product settings. You might spend some time here. This is where we can make fine-tune adjustments to the overall cleaning experience. At the top, we can learn more about our Roomba here, view product information, we can update it or remove it from our account. Next, we can locate our Roomba. If it's missing, it'll chime for us. We can learn more about our clean base, and we can update that as needed. Here's the cleaning preferences where you may want to spend a couple minutes adjusting things. 1 or 2 passes or room size clean. You can configure that. What do you want it to do when the bin is full? Keep cleaning or do not clean. Adjust your liquid amount, Eco, Standard, or Ultra. Obstacle detection settings here. Basically on or off. Suction settings, low, medium, or high. And then pad wash, unavailable behavior. What do you want it to do? Continue mopping or do not mop. So that's your cleaning preferences. Then we have our dry pad after job settings. Child lock, status lights, language options here. Look at all the different languages you can pick and choose from. Multiple voices for certain languages too. It's pretty sweet. We can reboot, view our network settings, and reconnect or change Wi-Fi if needed right there. And then further down, we got our owner's guide here. If you need any help, you got 37 pages to look through to learn more about your Roomba. And we also have a help section here too. You can view FAQ sections, documents, contact iRobot directly, report a problem, things along those lines. So very detailed app that you can find the setting that you're looking for right at your fingertip.